So once again, I am National Marketing Director Leotessa Dilson from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. So before lifestyles, I'm suffering for 11 years of my allergy rhinitis. I have sprays, and you can see in the screen there's a lot of medication that I have. So what's next? On September of 2021, I was in a car accident, and I didn't feel anything until a couple days na yun na hindi mo maramdaman agad-agad. And the pain in the shoulder and lower back got worse. I had sleepless night, and then I gained weight, anxiety, and fear to get into the car again. So nag-undergo ako ng therapy, so physio, and then lahat, MRI and everything na tinanong ng doctor. So until GND Blanca reached out to me to try to take the product, so I did. So I went back to my doctor, then yung sabi ng doctor ko, there's no other option, Lisa, but you have to go to the steroid injections for a lifetime. So sabi ko sa doctor ko, give me 1 month, doc, to decide. So I said no to the steroid injection. So yung 1 month na yun, like there's no tomorrow, I take the product massively, and thanks God for 1 month taking the products, everything was fine. Such as an amazing talaga, blessed by God, address my health issues. So here's my big one.